Hey everybody, Dana Stover here with the Magic of Somatic Money, and the headline news here is that I am beginning to give away selected free Somatic Money readings for people who participate in my free Somatic Money care kit. So you see the banner go across, go to the link, check it out, sign up, and what you're going to get if you win, you're going to get my first edition Somatic Money Oracle deck, so you can begin on a daily basis to work more directly with your Somatic Money relationship. This is worth $79. And if you also win, you're going to get a free Somatic Money reading from me here live on video in social media land. I've got all the particulars. I'm a Virgo, so I've got it all lined up. Go in, read up on it. I'm not doing this by the seat of my pants. I've thought about it a lot. I've put all the particulars out. I want to do this in a way where the participants, all those people participating, you feel safe and secure doing this work with me. And the other piece of this is that every single person who participates does not walk away empty-handed. Everybody's going to get something, but the winner is going to get my first edition deck. And I'm sure a lot of you have been following along. You've been seeing me do these collective Somatic Money readings off of my first edition deck. And now I want to take it another step and go a little bit deeper, a little bit more articulate, a little bit more personal. And so we are going to do real live person readings here, so you can see how this works person by person by person. So if you're interested in signing up, go to the LINKTREE, go to the website, go in, read the instructions, the write-up that I've got there. Again, I put a lot of thought into this. I want you to feel safe and secure in doing this, and at the same time I want audience members who watch this get a lot out of it so you can watch and learn and grow with your Somatic Money relationship. Also, this is the free deck giveaway. This is now the deck that is for sale. So if you're watching all of this and you don't want to participate in the free giveaway and you just want to go ahead and do it on your own, you can go ahead and go in, follow the links, and you can purchase. This is $79, and or you could purchase a video read from me as well. So I think that covers it for the announcement, and without further ado, I actually have our first person. The first wave of this I sent out to my newsletter. I've already had signups. I already have people participating. And so this first courageous, this first brave soul